The address to this parking lot is 3782 Quarter Horse Drive, Yorba, California. I will leave the address and the GPS coordinates in the description below. Right here. It's now starting out at 7 a.m. here in Yorba on this hike. It's a 7-mile hike I'm doing today. This is the parking lot where you could park. It's free parking here. I will leave the directions on how to get here in the description below with GPS coordinates as well. It's Sunday, June 30th, 2024, and the temperature is 65 degrees. So today is June 30th, 2024. I'm in Yorba, and I'm doing a 7-mile hike with about a 2,000-foot gain, and it should be a fun hike. The temperature is about 65 degrees. Should only take about maybe 2.5 hours to do this hike. Let's see how it goes. So this is the horse trail that we start the hike out on, and you can see the whole city of Yorba down below, and right down there is where we park the cars. We're now 2 minutes into this hike. So as we continue going straight on up on this horse trail, once we get to the end of this in about another minute, you'll begin to see where it's wide open with different paths you can take. Okay, so after coming up that little horse trail there for about 3 minutes, we come to this area, closed area, no motor vehicles allowed, and now we start our real hiking, so to speak, as we are now going through this little brush, a little overgrown, but just the start of things here. Okay, so now we're 10 minutes into this hike. You can see the horse trail down there that we came up on, and down below the beautiful city of Yorba. And a look at the trail shows that all of that brush that was once there is now no longer here, so no obstacles. And on this part of the trail, I'm hiking with a group, so don't be misled. There's not normally this many people on this trail. It's just that I want to learn this trail, and the only way to learn it is to go with this group safely enough to bring it to you. After that last spot there, I turned right. Now I'm on the South Ridge Trail. So this trail goes, you could either have gone left or right, and we're going right on this trail right now. So this is the South Ridge Trail I just came down on, and here's some other options of trails that you can go on as well. Right now I'm on the South Ridge Trail. San Juan Hill is where I'm heading to, going that way right now. And as you can see, this trail wraps around there and then over the top and continues on that way. Okay, so now I've been on this trail for about 25 minutes, and now we're going to turn off on this little grassy area here and continue on. So the whole hike right now, I've been on it for like 35 minutes. So 50 minutes into this hike, after that little turn off, you get to, this is pretty cool. We're going down now after we had gone up for a while. Now we're going down on this trail. This is what it looks like. Looks like we're going down into a canyon here. Okay, so this is a pretty cool perspective of just how small we are compared to this big mountain right here as we go down in to this little valley area. So that was Little Canyon Trail that we were just on, and it's come to an end now, and now we're over here. Let's see which way we're going to go. So now, after coming down Little Canyon Trail, we're going to turn left and continue on this way. So total hike time so far is 1 hour as we continue on this same trail. Not a whole lot of changes have happened since the last update. So 1 hour and 10 minutes into this hike, and the trail's still flat. Not any gain at all, just showing the brush around the surrounding area in the mountains. So right now, 1 hour and 10 minutes into this hike, as we still continue the same straight path here. I'd like to remind you, if you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. So this is a neat part of the trail. Look at all this little green plants here, and then this. So been on the hike now for 1 hour and 20 minutes. So it's still been flat, same long stretch straightaway. All right, look at this. Even plants that are growing. Look at this great big trumpet here.
It is. It's way out there.
So pretty neat. They got this wildlife, California wilds growing here, and it's showing you just when you least expect it. You see some pretty foliage along this trail. Okay, so been on this trail now for about an hour and a half and now we're going to come to here and turn left on this trail here and continue on up. So this is this trail. After an hour and a half, you'll come to this sign right here, and this is where we're going to continue, and we're going to turn left. Here's the other trails, what they look like, or the other distances. So we're going up the South Ridge Trail right here, continuing up this way. Remember Quarter Horse Trails where we started out at. So a few minutes past that turn that we just did, it starts to have an incline now because we got to go back up to where we were at before. Remember, we came down and then walked that straightaway for quite a ways. Now we're going up on a gradual incline. Okay, so we're 1 hour and 55 minutes into this hike, and as you can see, after we came up that ridge, now it starts to go down and then level off and then up again and then up again. So pretty nice. We're heading back to where we had the cars, but this is a big loop hike, so pretty nice trail. Not that challenging and not really difficult at all. Every now and then on the trail you'll see where it's broken up like this. I guess great big trucks going by, but it's still manageable. You can still get around it, and so that's good. So after being on this hike for 2 hours and 10 minutes and mostly on this straightaway, now we're going to do a little turn off here, and there's a little viewpoint here to see as we make our way back to the parking lot. But let's see, there's something else here to see. This is like a little shortcut back to where we originally came from. There's the city of Yorba down below. Looks like, I think that's could be the high school there, football stadium. Maybe Yorba High School. Okay, so that will more than do it for this hike. After starting at 10 minutes after 7, it's now 9:35, heading on back to the car. Be there shortly. So this hike was originally supposed to be 7 miles, as I had said. It turned out that we just went 5. We cut off a little bit of the hike due to the terrain being a little overgrown and not that safe to go on at this time. But so as you see the trail here, the horse trail, this is what we're looking at. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to see my other hiking videos, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.